Good evening, students. Today, VTU has started the CAD examination uh, in other colleges. Our colleges, it starts from 29th, but in other colleges, just it's already started on 23rd itself. So today, this is the question paper issued by VTU today, that is 27th January for morning batch, 8:30 to 11:30 batch. In this, I want to solve this question. Question number 8. That is, draw the top view, front view, and side view of the following figure. Means isometric view is given of the machine component. We have to draw the top view, front view, side view for this. He has given the front view direction. We have to look at the object from here. This is the front. Whatever the view we get here, that is the front view. And from here, it will be the top view. It will be the side view. It is given in the left side. So you have to see from the left and you have to write it on the right side because we are following the first angle projection. In first angle projection, whatever is seen from the left side will be written on the right side. Okay. First, how to start? In the front view, we see the maximum length as 75. Maximum length as 75 and maximum height is 20. This is 20 and this is 40. Total is 40 by, so we'll see a box of 75 by 40 in the front view. What happens in the top view? When you look from the top, we see the same 75 as the breadth will be 60. Okay, breadth will be 60. Now, okay, now what we'll do? Go to solid edge, make a box of 75 by 40 in the front view. In the front view. So draw the XY line. VP is above the XY line, HP is below the XY line because we are following the first angle projection. In first angle, in first quadrant, VP front view appears above the XY line. So draw above the XY line front view, which is 75 mm width and 60 mm height. Make a box like this. This is the front view. To get the side view, to get the top view is a 75 by 60. Okay. So what to do? Go to solid edge, take a line command. From here, draw projection. This is 60 mm. This is 75. This is 60. So these are the maximum dimensions we can see in the front view. In the front view, 75 is the length, 60 is the height. Here it is 60, here it is 75. Okay. Front view we see 75 by 40 and top view 75 by 60. Here we will see only 75 by 40, not 60. So I'll reduce it by another 20 mm. In the front view, we see 75 by 40 only. This is the 75 by 40 in the front view. This is 75 the length, height is 40, 20 and here 40. So total is 40. And in the height top view, we see the 75 the length, breadth as 60. That's what this is the top view. Below the XY line is the top view, above the XY line is the front view in first angle projection. Now to get the side view, This is the procedure. For to get any side view, this is the procedure. That is, first you have to draw one vertical line, call it as x1, y1 line. We'll get the left side view, no? So we're see here, look at the object, looking object from the left, looking the object from the left. Whatever the view we get, that should be written on the right side. Left side will be written on the right side because we are following the first angle projection. That's why I kept the make the space in the right side. Okay, here I'll get the side view. To get the side view, draw a line from the point of intersection of the x1, y1 line and x1 line from this point and the 45-degree line. This 45-degree line should always be in HP. HP means below the XY line, not above the XY line. Below the XY line, and it should move away from the top view. So it should move like this. Length, I want any length, so I will press tab key in the keyboard. It moves to angle now. Angle I'll type minus 45 degree. Now again, to get the side view, project from the top view up to the 45-degree line. You stop where it touches the 45-degree line. From there, draw one vertical line up. See, use the alignment indicator like this. Up to here, you have to draw the now within this 40 in the top view, maximum dimension is front view 75 by 40, right? Make it dark. Make it dark. Then in the middle, you'll see one more. This is the front view. See, in the front view, we see two steps, 20 mm height each, 20 mm height each. So we see the two steps, two rectangles, 25 mm height each. So the dimension of this. Forty and 20. Now we'll go to the top view. In the top view, what we see? We see this is one rectangle, this is another rectangle, and width of the rectangle is 30 mm each. So midpoint. So from the midpoint, draw one line. So this is 30. Now this rectangle is 30. This is the top and front view. Okay, now we'll go to the side view. To get the side view, how it appears, see, we see one step like this, right? This portion, 60 mm full length, 40 mm height. Okay, 60 mm full length, 40 mm height. So we'll draw one more line, that is from here to here, then here to. Now we'll see step like this from here to here, vertical line, from here to here, vertical line. This is what we see in the side view. Side view. So this is how much it is? 68, 58.68 because we have taken 45 degree, 60. We don't need to measure it in side view because we're getting it by projection. We're getting it by projection. No need to stick to the dimensions. Okay, this is the end of this. This question asked today in two batches, first batch as well as in the third batch. This is the first batch question paper. I'll open another question paper now. You can see question paper 3, this one. So this is the question paper, third question paper. Today's batch 3, 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. This question paper was given. And the same question is given in the module 8, module 4, question number 8. That's why I tell you to refer these question papers, previous days question papers. At least 1 or 2 questions will be repeated. I hope. I hope. Okay, now I'll take up one more question paper. Question paper, today's second question paper. This question paper is given for the batch 2:30 to 11:30 to 2:30 batch. See the question number 8 here. See the question number 8. Draw the top view, front view, and side view of the following figure. So height is 75, length is 75, breadth is 75. Front view. He has told you have to see the object from this in this direction, front view. Okay, not from here. Sometimes if this arrow is not given, you can take this as the front view or this as the front view, that is left to the observer. But in this question paper, he has fixed the position of the front view that we have to look from this direction. So when you look from this direction, what we see? 75 is the length and 75 is the height. And we see one triangle in the front view. So in the top view, we see one rectangle. We see one square, maybe square, 75 by 75. Okay. Front view, side view, looking from here, you have to write it on the left. You have to look from the left side, and whatever the view we get, that should be written on the right side because it's the first angle projection. Now we'll start with the front view. We start with the front view. As usual, draw XY line and name it as VPHP. This is very important because we are following the first angle projection or the first quadrant. If you don't specify that, you don't get any marks. VP should always be above the XY line. HP should be below the XY line. Now, let us go to the question. This question. It's a wedge. 75, a triangle of 75 height and 75 length we see. So take a line command, dark line from here, 75, enter, and 180, enter. Height is also 75, enter, 90, enter, and join this. Okay, this is the front view. In the front view, we see one rectangle like this. Then project down from here, top view. What is the top view? Top view is a 75 and 75. It will be a square of 75 by 75. So type 75 minus 90. $75, $90, and this is how much here? I'm using the alignment indicator. $75, from this also $75 from here. is so this is the projection line. So this is over. Top view, front view is over. Very simple. So height is 75, length is also 75, breadth is 75, here length is 75. So we got the top view, front view over. You got almost 60-70% of the marks. Now go to line command. We have to draw x1, y1 line. Okay. So I had to actually draw the side view to my left side. So what I do, I'll just move it so that I'll have the space on the right, on my right side. Left side I'll keep the top view and front view. Because you see the question here. Front view, this is the front view, and from here you have to see the side view. Side view means you are seeing from the right. Whatever is seen from the right should be on the left side. That's why I made space on the left side. Then go to line command. Draw x1, y1 line. There's a regular procedure to get the side view with help of side profile plane. X1, y1 is the side profile plane. From the point of intersection of the x1, y1 line and xy line, you have to draw a line at an angle of let me zoom it because I have to get the intersection symbol. If the intersection symbol is not appearing, go to tools, IntelliSketch, relationships is already on. Okay. Now I'll search for it. From there so that you will get it. Now this 45-degree line should be written in HP, means below the XY line, and it should move away from the top view. So this is the direction of the 45-degree length. 149, 159 is showing. I press tab key, minus 90 plus 45, minus 135. You type minus 135, you will get a line like this. So this angle, this should be 45 degrees. Okay. Now project. This is the side view. In the side view, what you can see this. So we don't know the dimension, just make this line dark. Side view we get by projecting. We don't need to measure it. This is the side view. Okay. This is the question given in the second batch today. Question number 8. Okay. With this, we'll close this video session. I'll come back again with solving one more question in the next video.